Alright, so what is NetCat? NetCat is often called as Swiss Army knife of networking, and for the good reason, it lets you read and write data over the network using TCP and UDP. You can use it for doing bunch of things like creating reverse shell or sending files over the internet. Whether you are just starting in cybersecurity or you are stick around, it is must-known tool for you. Hi everyone, this is Mohit from Hackerskin. So today we are back with another video. So if you are into cybersecurity or pen testing, then you are on the right spot. So today we are going to explore a super handy tool known as NetCat. Okay, so before diving into hands-off on NetCat, let's overview some of the main features. Mainly 4 features of NetCat that we are focusing on: port scanning, banner grabbing, data transfer, and reverse shells. So we'll cover each of that in this video. So let's start from basic port scanning using NetCat. Let me open my terminal here. Okay, so let's go over with some basic command of NetCat that you need to know. So first one is create a listener. So you just need to simply type NC and -L for listening, and B for verbal mode, and P to specify port. So here we will use port 6666. I am taking a random number here. So NetCat listener will be started on local IP and port 6666. So in the left side, here is our listener of NetCat. In the right side, we will connect to that listener using it. So before connecting, we need to know what is our local IP address. So you can simply type it for 3, and my local IP is 10.9.0.130. So let me clear that, and NetCat, our local IP, and port 6666. You can see we have saved a connection here. So it can be also possible to chat using listener and connection. If I will type here hello and press enter, you can see hello there. And if I type more this side, you can see more this side. So it is just simple collection. We can also scan different ports using NetCat. First of all, we need to scan using nmap -s for shell system and target IP. So we need to provide root privilege for this scanning. I will type sudo and wait for few seconds until our nmap scan will be done. So you can see here we have 22 open SSH port. So using NetCat, we can verify the SSH version and other important things. So I will type here NC for NetCat and target host, enter here, and we can see it is a Ubuntu server operating system, and OpenSSH version is 2.0. So it can be exploitable. We can use this information for searching if there is any exploit or vulnerability exist on the target server. Okay, so now in the left side, we have SSH SS over a server, which is a try to hack lab. And in the right side, we will try to get SS in that server using NetCat reverse shell. So first of all, we need to start a listener. So I will type here NetCat and -LBP. So L for listening, B for verbose, and P for port. You have to specify. So for now, I will take any random number like 4444 and press enter. So our listener has been started. So in the right side, let's test which actual user access we have right now on the server. So I will type here who am I, and as you can see, I am the Karen user. Now let's create a reverse shell for our listener. Simply type nano and shell.sh. I am creating here a bash reverse shell for NetCat using Nano. Nano is a simple text editor for the Linux operating system. Let me press enter, and our file has been known. Okay, so I have created a reverse shell using our attacker IP address and listening code. So let me close this file using Ctrl S and Ctrl X. So it's VLS, we can see here shell.sh file. So let's execute this file as perspective of victim and see if we get any reverse connection bash shell.sh. So as you can see, we have received a connection. So if I will type who am I here, so you can see we have login as a current user.